How to bold text on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can bold text on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to bold text on WhatsApp, it is actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is basically just go ahead and launch WhatsApp. Once you launch WhatsApp, let's say that there is a specific group, and then here you can see a normal messages like this. So if I just go ahead and then type in a normal message right over here, so let me just go ahead and do that. This is how a normal text looks like. But if I actually show you include a bold text, what you have to do is first of all just select asterisk. Once you select asterisk, there should not be any spaces or anything. Now you can just type in any text that you might want to go ahead and send. Once you actually go ahead and select any text that you want to send, end the sentence by again selecting asterisk without any spaces, right? And instantly you can see the magic, that is, it has been successfully bold. So if I remove this, it's not bold. If I end it with the asterisk and start with asterisk, it's bold. Now if I send this, you can see that it has been successfully sent in a bold text. I'm not sure if it's quite visible on the camera, but of course you can try it for yourself. Asterisk, sentence, then end with asterisk, then send it, then the sentence is going to get bold. Now just for a bonus, you can also try other things, which means if you want to strike through or maybe italic, you can hit an underscore here. Once you hit an underscore like this, you can just go ahead and then also end this with an underscore. Once you select underscore, you can see this will be italic. You also have strike through and many of the other codes as well. This way you'll be able to actually go ahead and then bold text on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.